Updating your legal name with Renasant Corp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to Renasant Corp's customer service by phone or their website. Explain that you need to update your legal name and ask for specific instructions or forms required for the process. Step 3. Complete required forms. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use escrow to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit documentation. Send the completed forms along with your supporting documents to the designated department of Renasant Corp. This can often be done via mail, fax, or sometimes electronically, depending on the policies. Step 5. Confirm update. After submitting your request, follow up with customer service to confirm that your name change has been processed. Keep an eye on your account statements or online banking to ensure the change reflects correctly. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Renasant Corp. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer service for assistance.